and my sweets and my sweets is and my sweet. Hey, what you doing, guys? I hope everyone will be fine. I think everyone will be fine. Say hello, boys and girls. So I go by Vicky, and you can call me Master Vicky. And today in this video, we gonna discuss the how to speak in English confidently and fluently. So first of all, and I'm damn sure guys you will fancy this video, and do the comment below like says follow, and could you please hit the bell icon upcoming my videos. And then guys, so happy Diwali all of you guys. So today I would like to let you know and how to create a sentence in your mind and then speak English and fluent in your daily life. So guys, first of all, in this Diwali season I would like to let you know that we are preparing to start the puja. And so guys, as you know all, and goddess Lakshmi is worshipped in this Diwali, and which is adorable puja. In this Diwali season we bust crackers. I'm expert in busting crackers. Now we will enjoy a lot of this time, and there is a different greenery in the house, and my house is decorated with lights and diyas by my mom. And my mom and as well as my mom is making a rangoli, and my mom is the best rangoli makers. And okay, tell me now, and are you worshipping the goddess Lakshmi? Do the comment below and write your special words. Okay, let's gonna talk about of Diwali time. In this Diwali time we should have painted our house, and we should wear the new clothes and new sweets. So guys, and the charm of sweets is unique, and let's have a eat a kalakan, and it is my favorite. And my sweets is slightly different taste, and could you please have a kalakan? So guys, you have to try to my new sweets, and enjoy your special day, and happy Diwali all of you guys. And so you can wait my new story in English, and that's how I speak English confident. So guys, इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए फॉलो करें.